Well, guess what? I'm back. We are, I'm very confused. I'm getting really dizzy here. I guess it's California we went last time, so I guess we're going to go to Disney. But I think you noticed something here. That's right. I'm on a scooter. I'm on a scooter, and I'm about to head into Disneyland. A lot of walking the last time, so I decided to try the scooter out. So I thought I'd bring you guys along too and say, hey, how good is a scooter in Disneyland? Is it worth it? Well, let's go find out. First things first, let's get into Disneyland. All right, we're now in Disneyland. Whoa, we're up on the curb now. Hey, got off this curb. This is the view you get when you're in a scooter.
Oh, you know what breakfast is?
There it is. You see the castle. This is what you see when you're in a scooter. I can hold this up. I am. All right, we're heading to the left here, Mom. Yep, there's the castle. Oh, car. Well, that sounds good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Let's pull over here and get a ham and cheese and croissant. Alright, so when you get a scooter, you have to take the key out, you walk over to where you are, park it nicely, and we're in a like medieval nice place. I like it. It's kind of cool. And we found a ham and cheese croissant. Let's go take advantage of that. Alright. Ham and cheese croissant. Great way to start the day at Disneyland. Not bad. I'd say it's pretty okay. I'd order it again.
Yep, I second this one time.
Next time we'll head to a land far, far away.